Welcome to the 3-round quiz. Each round has 10 questions, so there are 30 questions in total to answer. Round 1 is with easy warm-up questions. Which tech company did Steve Jobs co-found in 1976? Apple. What kind of drinks are mocktails? They are non-alcoholic drinks. Which country won the 1986 FIFA World Cup? Argentina. What symbol marks a strike in bowling? X. Which company created the Pokemon concept? Nintendo. The Moai statues are landmarks of which island? Easter Island. Which river flows through Rome? Tiber. Where is the Little Mermaid statue? In Copenhagen. What animal is in the Porsche logo? Horse. Which team has won the most Stanley Cups in ice hockey? Montreal Canadiens. Second round is with well-known brands and iconic products. Which restaurant chain was founded by Colonel Sanders in the 1930s? KFC, Kentucky Fried Chicken. Which company is known for its orange-handled scissors? Fiskars. Which shoe manufacturer produces models such as Stan Smith and Campus? Adidas. Which pop star founded the cosmetics company Fenty Beauty? Rihanna. Which watch brand did Hans Willdorf register in London in 1908? Rolex. Which company was founded in 1964 under the name Blue Ribbon Sports? Nike. Which company's product is the PlayStation game console? Sony. What is the nationality of the tractor manufacturer Setor? Czech. Who designed the Juicy Salif citrus squeezer for Alessi in 1990? Philip Stark. What is the world's oldest still operating bicycle manufacturer? Bianchi. And then it's time for third and final round with general knowledge questions. Which car model has its own star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame? Chevrolet Suburban, which has been in many movies. Which country does the New Caledonia in the Pacific belong? It belongs to France. Who composed the iconic score for the TV series Twin Peaks? Angelo Badalamenti. In which city is the Red Mosque located? In Islamabad. Which country occupied Greenland 1941 to 1945. USA. Which TV series can you form from these images? There's a bit more time to think of the solution than in the other questions. TV series has Jon Hamm and Christina Hendricks, and it's Mad Men. Whose painting Impression Sunrise gave the name to the art movement Impressionism? That was Claude Monet. What does the Snellen chart test in humans? Visual acuity. On which continent does the Limpopo River flow? In Africa. What English word is Pokemon short for? Pocket Monsters. That was all for today. Thanks for watching, share your score and remember to subscribe to the channel.